this is my quiz app. So I'll just do the demo first. So this is the start screen, and then you hit start quiz, and then you get all the questions. So I'll just answer them. Blue whale. This is a penguin. This is George Saleka. Nobody's getting that wrong. This is Al. 4-4, and then Gandalf. And then so that was the quiz screen, and then this is the result screen. So I got all the questions right, but this is scrollable like it was in class. And then since I got all of them right, they're all blue. But if I just go back and just like do this, then I actually got all of them wrong. But now they're all red. So like for the requirements of the assignment, I changed up the results screen, so this is like a little bit bigger. These are all more organized. The text is aligned to the left. I found let me actually, so if I go to the results screen, actually I think it's in, sorry, I'm just like trying to explain where I found this. It's like it's a circle avatar widget, so that's what I use for these numbers and stuff. I also added a little bit of space here for the row, which is this size box. I did cross-axis alignment start so that it's all aligned to the left, and then I also took this button from the start quiz page because it looks a little bit better than just the text that we were using. What else? I guess, oh yeah, I also implemented the restart quiz button, and I guess I'll just go through the code now. But everything starts in main.dart, and so all that we have inside of main.dart is just this main quiz widget, and then this quiz widget. It basically handles where all the screens go to, and it also stores the selected answers. And so it initializes with the active screen being the start screen. And then what did I change? So I refactored the switch screen method to just start quiz, just for naming purposes. And then I made a new one called reset quiz, which is for the reset quiz button. And all it does is it goes back to the start screen, and then it clears out the selected answers. But the workflow of the app is basically we go into the start screen here. And it's a stateless widget, and it basically just has a button that you press it, which is past this start quiz function, which is right here, and then it'll change to the question screen, which is a stateful widget this time, and it has all the questions that we had in the data right here. Let me go back actually. Question screen. And so for here, you can like answer the question, and then it also builds this widget, which basically maps all of the data from the questions into different questions that have buttons and information and stuff. And then once the counter hits the length, once you've like answered all the questions, basically is what I'm trying to say, it will call the result screen right here. So like this is what I was saying. If the length of the selected answers equals the question's length, you'll go to the result screen. And this basically is all the stuff that is right here. It renders all these different things. So here's the button. It also, the main thing it renders is this question summary component, which it maps all of the questions and the user's answers and stuff. It's basically all this stuff. And what else had I done? Oh, I also made a change. I think in class we basically assumed that the right answer was just the first answer in the data. But I added another parameter here. If we go into quiz question here, this is like in my way. But quiz question, I added like a answer index, answer index, and it basically gives the index of the correct answer. So if we go back here, like the index is 1, that means it's going to be a blue whale here. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just wanted to make sure I talked about everything. I have 6 of my own questions. I showed the result screen stuff, or the reset quiz stuff, and then all the results page styling. I put all my code on GitHub as well. If you like have any interest in looking at it, it's all in here. Those are all my commits and stuff. And yeah, thank you.